2020 Hyundai Elantra up in the air. Why not? This is what it sounds like before, guys. Go ahead. Close and personal. Give me gas. Too quiet. Again. Here's sound decibels again. Too quiet. 84. All right, you can turn it off. So we're gonna put this beautiful angled tip on it, as you guys can see, double tip. We're gonna take this muffler off. We're gonna take this resonator off. We're gonna keep the cat. Replace the resonator with a Netami twist. There'll be a link in the description, right there. And do a muffler delete right there. So stay tuned. And then finish it off with a nice tip. So a 2020 Hyundai Elantra 2.0. We just did a new exhaust system. We showed you guys what it sounds like before. There's the cat, spiral Netami in place of the mid resonator. 2-inch pipe continues out the back. Then we put a 2 1/4 tailpipe instead of the muffler that was on it. 2 1/4 pipe. And then we finished it off with a nice tip out the back. Double tip right there, angle. So it looks really nice, really clean. Check it out, guys. I like it. You guys like it? I like it. There's a muffler. There's a resonator that was on it. We took them both off. So it should sound a lot better, a lot nicer. Stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Nice clean idle. See how it's not raspy? It's just... That spiral's good. Here's sound decibels. Again. 101. 102. That sounds good. You guys like it? You approve? They approve. Go and back it up. But you want to wake up the neighbors, man. Did you say when you get the scab back? Yeah. Mustang 5.0. We all gotta start somewhere, man. That's nice. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. Let you guys hear it on the inside. It is a 2.0, guys, too. Here we go. Hyundai Elantra 2020 2.0 with a Netami twist and a muffler delete. And the guy beeping in the back. How many times he goes back and forth? It's driving me nuts. A lot of beeping. Beep, beep, beep. That sounds nice. It's clean. He didn't want any rasp. You can still hear it. Sounds clean. I like it.